Good day everyone and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this video you'll learn how to make AI music from scratch even if you have zero music experience. So AI can now create full songs, vocals, lyrics, melody and instruments, all in minutes. And today I'll show you exactly how AI music generators work, how to create your first AI song step by step, and how to export it for YouTube, TikTok or personal use. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, no music knowledge tutorial. Alright, so let us talk about what this is and how it works. So AI music is created using machine learning models trained on massive amounts of audio data. And these models can generate melodies, write lyrics, create vocals, and build full instrumental tracks. And for this, you don't need instruments, music theory, or recording equipment. You only need a prompt, a text description of the song that you wish to create. Alright, and now let us discuss which ones are some good music generators for AI. So there are various ones, but the most beginner-friendly ones are the Suno, as you can see right here. Then we have Udio, and other tools exist, but these two are the easiest to start with. Also, if you're willing to try some of the other ones out, this is the list as well. 11 Labs is something I tried, it's pretty good as well. And in this tutorial, the workflow is the same for any AI music tool. So once you learn one, you can use them all because the mechanics behind creating, music from text is pretty identical. Alright guys, and now to start, let's say I will take Suno, the Suno service, as an example. So how do we begin? So of course the first step is creating the account, which you can do by pressing on this sign up button right over here. Very simple. And in here, how can you register? You can use your phone number, you can use your Apple ID, Discord account, Facebook, Google and Microsoft. So as you can see, we have a lot of options to register. So choose the one that fits you the best and just go ahead and sign up. And after that, after you sign up, as you can see, you will be landed on a very similar dashboard. Most of them are very similar in the layout. And in here, we will now talk about how to proceed, which techniques to use, what's the best prompt, etc. Let me explain. So firstly, of course, you need to go to create, and this is where all of our magic is going to happen. And now, of course, you will need to type in your prompt in a text form, of course, and the prompt will be something that will actually lead AI towards creating what you want. I will give you an example prompt, and actually the one that I will use in this video, but in general, what actual good prompt looks like. You need to state genre, mood, tempo, vocals or instrumental, pretty much whether it's going to have words or not inside it, theme or lyrics idea. And now the example. So for example, this is going to be my prompt. As you can see, you can also analyze what kind of emotion, whether it has vocals, tempo, mood, and what the subject of the song is about. And of course, don't forget, the more clear and specific you are, the better the AI result will be. And also, most AI song makers let you choose instrumental only or vocals. So for example, if you want instrumental, you just press on this button right over here and you will have no lyrics in the song, only the instrumental. So pretty much just an electronic part of the song. And then we have male or female voice. As you can see, I have male vocals. Language, well, if I wrote it in English, it's going to be in English. And then also the song length, which is not stated in my case. And also some tools can auto-generate lyrics or let you paste your own lyrics. If you're a beginner, start with auto-generated lyrics and refine later. Alright, and once everything looks good, you can click generate, which I will do as well, as so, and just wait anywhere from 10 to 60 seconds. The AI will usually create multiple versions of the song. As you can see, I've got, what do I have? I have 4. Great. And always listen to all versions, as sometimes the second or third is much better. And also, guys, don't forget that once the song is generated, you can actually adjust it to your preference. So you can just regenerate parts, change lyrics, adjust style, and extend the song as well. And also an important tip, do not regenerate everything at once. Small changes give more predictable results. Alright, so as you can see, I have the songs generating. They're actually generated. So as you can see, you can now view the length. So my song has, for some reason, a very small length of 1 minute. Then you can, as you can see, press like or dislike. Well, it's just feedback. It's not necessary. And now, if you wish to pretty much regenerate it or just edit a certain song, you just choose this. And as you can see here, you have the lyrics, right? All the lyrics. We have the bridge, chorus, yeah, everything. And if you wish to remix or edit, as you can see, you can just open it in Studio, open an editor, and of course, also you can extend it, adjust the speed, and yeah, you can just replace section. So pretty much you can just edit as much as you want. And for example, if you wish to make adjustments, you just now adjust your prompt, right? If you wish to add something, change something, whatever that you wish to do, you can do this here. Also, guys, what else do we have here? We also can use our audio as a baseline. So if you have maybe, for example, lyrics that you yourself have recorded, which is pretty cool, you can just upload a file with those lyrics, and then AI will use your voice and will generate the song by using your own voice, which is pretty cool. And if you wish to add your own lyrics, you can, of course, do this. You will see that you'll have this new window where, just like with the prompt for generating a song, you can just type in your lyrics. That's it. And after that, when you're ready, you just want to download the song now. So for example, if I want to download this new skin song, right, you just click on it. But I think I will need a active subscription for this, because I don't really see the way I can download this song. So I guess I will have to buy a subscription, because you can see upgrade for a full song. So not only that we will be able to download the song, but also the song will have a full length. So instead of 1 minute, you'll have 3-4 minutes, maybe 5 if this song is long. Yeah, after that you can just export it. And in terms of the exporting options, on probably every single one of these, you will be able to export your song in either MP3 or WAV format. And also don't forget about the usage rights. They depend on the platform. So free plans may limit commercial use, and paid plans usually allow monetization. So always check for the license section before uploading it to YouTube or Spotify. And that's it, guys. You now know how to make AI music from scratch using an AI songmaker. No studio, no instruments, just ideas and creativity. That's it for this video, my friends. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.